Imagine driving a car so reliable you never have to worry about costly repairs or unexpected breakdowns. Year after year, mile after mile, it just keeps going. Sounds like a dream, right? But these cars exist, and they've earned legendary reputations for their bulletproof engineering. Whether you're looking for an everyday commuter, a family-friendly SUV, or a performance machine that refuses to quit, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down 17 cars that can last a lifetime, and some might be more affordable than you think. Stick around to see if your dream car made the list, because missing this could mean missing out on one of the best investments in automotive history. Let's dive in. Bulletproof sedans, the kings of longevity. Toyota Corolla, the 300,000-mile champion. Few cars have earned a reputation for reliability like the Toyota Corolla. It may not be the flashiest or the fastest, but it has stood the test of time as one of the most durable and dependable vehicles on the road. Built with simplicity in mind, the Corolla avoids unnecessary complications, which means fewer things can go wrong. Toyota's engineering focuses on proven technology and durable components, ensuring that each Corolla is designed to last for decades. Owners frequently report their Corollas lasting 15 to 20 years, with many surpassing 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Beyond its longevity, the Corolla is also fuel efficient, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to save on gas while getting the most out of their investment. Its low maintenance costs make it a practical choice for budget-conscious drivers, and because it holds its value well, selling a used Corolla is often easier than selling many competitors. People don't sell their Corollas because they break down, they sell them because they've had them too long. If you're looking for a sedan that will last as long as you need it to, this is the one to get. Honda Accord, the trusty all-rounder. The Honda Accord is another legendary name in the world of reliable sedans. Known for its durability, performance, and comfort, the Accord is a well-rounded vehicle that offers a smooth ride and strong resale value. Many Accord owners report exceeding 300,000 miles without experiencing major mechanical failures, a testament to Honda's engineering excellence. One of the standout features of the Accord is its balance of efficiency and power. With a strong engine lineup including fuel-efficient 4-cylinder options and more powerful V6 variants, the Accord offers something for every type of driver. Its interior is spacious and well-designed, providing comfort for both drivers and passengers, making it an ideal car for long road trips or daily commutes. Honda's high-quality materials and attention to detail mean that even after years of use, the Accord's interior and exterior hold up well. If you need a car that delivers performance, reliability, and comfort, the Accord is one of the best choices you can make. Lexus LS400, the million-mile luxury sedan. Luxury and reliability don't always go hand in hand, but the Lexus LS400 is an exception to the rule. Designed to challenge the dominance of European luxury brands, Lexus over-engineered the LS400 to set a new standard in durability and refinement. It worked. This car became a symbol of precision craftsmanship and mechanical excellence, with many owners reporting that their LS400s have lasted over 500,000 miles, and in some cases even 1 million. One of the most famous examples is automotive journalist Matt Farah, who took his LS400 past the 1 million mile mark with nothing more than standard maintenance. That's right, this luxury sedan ran for 1 million miles without any major failures, proving that high-end cars don't have to be unreliable. Under the hood, the LS400 features a powerful V8 engine that delivers smooth acceleration and a quiet, refined driving experience. Combine that with a plush interior, top-tier materials, and cutting-edge, for its time, technology, and you have a car that delivers luxury without the headaches often associated with premium brands. If you want a high-end car that you can depend on for decades, the LS400 is the ultimate choice. Indestructible SUVs built to conquer anything. Toyota 4Runner, the off-road legend. When it comes to rugged, off-road ready SUVs, few vehicles have a reputation as strong as the Toyota 4Runner. This body-on-frame SUV is built to withstand extreme conditions, making it a favorite among adventure seekers, overlanders, and drivers who need a vehicle that can handle more than just city streets. With its durable V6 engine, robust suspension system, and high ground clearance, the 4Runner is designed to handle rough terrain and long journeys with ease. One of the biggest reasons for the 4Runner's longevity is its simple yet durable construction. Unlike many modern SUVs that rely on complex electronics and turbocharged engines, the 4Runner sticks to proven mechanical components that can last for hundreds of thousands of miles. Many owners report driving their 4Runners well past 300,000 miles, with some even reaching 400,000 miles with regular maintenance. If you need an SUV that's tough, dependable, and ready for any adventure, the 4Runner is one of the best options out there. Jeep Cherokee, the rugged survivor. The Jeep Cherokee, especially in its first generation models, is a vehicle that refuses to die. With its iconic 4.0-liter inline-6 engine, the Cherokee has proven itself as one of the toughest SUVs in automotive history. Even today, nearly 40 years after some of the earliest models rolled off the production line, you can still find these SUVs on the road, conquering trails and highways alike. What makes the Cherokee so durable is its straightforward, no-nonsense design. It doesn't rely on fragile components or overly complicated technology, just solid engineering that can take a beating and keep going. The Cherokee is also surprisingly versatile, offering both strong off-road capability and comfortable highway cruising. If you need an SUV that can tackle dirt roads, snow-covered highways, and everything in between while lasting for decades, the Jeep Cherokee is a fantastic choice. Toyota Land Cruiser, the indestructible Titan. There is no vehicle more legendary for reliability than the Toyota Land Cruiser. This SUV has been used by explorers, military forces, and humanitarian organizations worldwide because it simply doesn't break down. Built with rugged durability in mind, the Land Cruiser can withstand extreme heat, freezing temperatures, rough terrain, and high mileage driving like no other vehicle. With proper maintenance, it's not uncommon for a Land Cruiser to reach 500,000 miles or more, with some even hitting the 1 million mile mark. Despite its premium price tag, it is widely considered one of the best investments in long-term vehicle ownership. If you want an SUV that will outlive you, the Toyota Land Cruiser is the one to own. Nissan Skyline, the performance beast that won't quit. The Nissan Skyline is more than just a car, it's an automotive icon. Known for its legendary reliability, high-performance capabilities, and timeless design, this vehicle has built an unmatched reputation in both the tuner and motorsports worlds. What sets the Skyline apart isn't just its raw power, but the fact that it's built to handle abuse. At the heart of its dependability is the RB series engine, particularly the twin turbocharged inline-6, which is known to handle insane amounts of horsepower modifications without breaking a sweat. Many Skylines have been pushed past 600 horsepower and still run flawlessly, shrugging off wear and tear like it's nothing. If you want a car that's fast, exciting, and nearly indestructible, the Nissan Skyline is in a class of its own. Mazda Miata, the fun car that keeps going. The Mazda Miata MX-5 proves that a sports car doesn't have to be fragile or high maintenance. Since its debut in 1989, the Miata has been one of the most reliable sports cars ever made, earning a reputation for simplicity, longevity, and affordability. With a lightweight body, a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, and a manual transmission option, it embraces the essence of a pure driver's car while keeping running costs low. Unlike some high-performance vehicles that require expensive maintenance, the Miata is easy to fix, cheap to maintain, and extremely durable. Many owners have reported driving their Miatas well past 200,000 miles with minimal repairs. If you want a sports car that will last as long as your passion for driving, this is the one. Workhorse trucks and vans built to take a beating. Ford F-150, America's most dependable truck. No list of long-lasting vehicles would be complete without America's best-selling truck for over 4 decades. The Ford F-150. Built to handle tough jobs, heavy loads, and extreme conditions, the F-150 is a legendary workhorse that can go the distance. The key to its longevity is Ford's commitment to durability and innovation. The EcoBoost V6 engine delivers an impressive combination of power and fuel efficiency, while the naturally aspirated V8 options have a long history of reliability. Whether you're hauling cargo, towing trailers, or just driving daily, the F-150 can easily reach 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Chevrolet Suburban, the SUV that never quits. When it comes to long-lasting full-size SUVs, few can match the endurance of the Chevrolet Suburban. It has been around for nearly 90 years, making it the longest-running nameplate in automotive history, and for good reason. With its 3 powerful engine choices, including the 5.3-liter V8 and the 6.2-liter V8, the Suburban has the muscle to handle anything. Owners regularly report their Suburbans lasting over 300,000 miles, with some even crossing the 500,000-mile mark. If you need an SUV that will last for generations, the Chevrolet Suburban is a smart choice. Honda Odyssey, the family van that never dies. Minivans often get overlooked when it comes to reliability, but the Honda Odyssey has proven itself as one of the longest-lasting vehicles ever made. Designed to withstand family life, the Odyssey offers spacious seating, a smooth ride, and an incredibly durable engine. Many Odyssey owners report their vans running well past 300,000 miles, with very few major issues along the way. The low maintenance costs and Honda's engineering excellence make it a smart choice for families. If you need a family vehicle that lasts through years of road trips and school runs, the Odyssey is a great pick. The final 5, the best of the best. Subaru Legacy, the AWD sedan that won't quit. The Subaru Legacy is one of the most reliable all-wheel drive sedans ever built. Designed for drivers who need a car that can handle harsh winters and tough roads, the Legacy stands out. Thanks to Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, this sedan offers superior grip and control, making it a favorite for snow, ice, and rough terrain. Many models, especially those from the 2005 to 2009 generation, have proven to be exceptionally long-lasting, with some surpassing 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. If you need a sedan that offers dependability, safety, and all-weather capability, the Legacy is a great choice. Mazda 6, the sleeper reliability champion. While Mazda is often overshadowed by Toyota and Honda, the Mazda 6 has quietly built a reputation as one of the most dependable midsize sedans ever produced. Known for its engaging driving experience, sleek styling, and bulletproof engineering, the Mazda 6 is the perfect mix of performance and longevity. Some models, particularly those with the 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine, have lasted well over 600,000 miles. If you're looking for a car that lasts years without sacrificing driving pleasure, the Mazda 6 is a great option. Mercedes-Benz W124, the over-engineered tank. When it comes to old-school German engineering, few cars are as legendary as the Mercedes-Benz W124. Produced between 1984 and 1995, this indestructible sedan was built during an era when Mercedes over-engineered its cars to near perfection. The result? A vehicle that wasn't just made to last a decade, it was built to last a lifetime. One of the key reasons the W124 remains one of the most reliable and durable vehicles ever made is its bulletproof drivetrain and high-quality construction. Whether you opt for the robust inline-4, the smooth inline-6, or the legendary diesel variant, W124 engines are incredibly tough and can surpass 500,000 miles with proper care. Unlike modern luxury cars, which are packed with complex electronics, the W124 is mechanically simple, making maintenance much easier. Even today, many W124 models still run like new, proving their exceptional build quality. Whether you're looking for a classic luxury sedan or an affordable used car that won't let you down, the Mercedes-Benz W142 remains one of the best choices in automotive history. Toyota Camry, the ultimate commuter car. When it comes to practicality, reliability, and value, the Toyota Camry is the gold standard of commuter cars. Built with Toyota's legendary reliability, the Camry has become a household name for drivers who want a hassle-free ownership experience. Known for low maintenance costs, excellent fuel economy, and engines that last for hundreds of thousands of miles, the Camry is a car that drivers can trust for decades. Toyota has refined the Camry over multiple generations, improving what was already a solid platform. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 3.5-liter V6 engines are particularly well regarded for long lifespans and low repair costs. Some owners have reported their Camrys lasting well past 600,000 miles, with only minor repairs along the way. Aside from reliability, the Camry is comfortable and practical. The interior is spacious, well built, and filled with modern safety features, making it one of the safest and most dependable sedans on the market. Whether you need a fuel-efficient daily driver or a long-distance road trip car, the Toyota Camry is one of the smartest investments you can make. Toyota Land Cruiser, the ultimate SUV. The Toyota Land Cruiser is not just an SUV, it's an automotive legend. Designed for off-road mastery, long-distance endurance, and military-grade durability, the Land Cruiser has been the vehicle of choice for adventurers, world travelers, and humanitarian organizations for decades. Its reputation for longevity and dependability is so strong that entire fleets of Land Cruisers remain in service decades after they were built. What makes the Land Cruiser nearly indestructible is its body-on-frame construction, simple yet powerful drivetrain, and Toyota's world-class engineering. Whether you're crossing deserts, navigating dense forests, or driving through blizzards, the Land Cruiser takes it all in stride. The 4.7-liter and 5.7-liter V8 engines found in modern models are built to last, and many owners have reported their vehicles surpassing 500,000 miles with ease. Though it has a higher price tag, the Land Cruiser is one of the best investments in vehicle ownership. With unmatched resale value and a bulletproof reputation, this SUV is simply one of the toughest vehicles ever made. If you want a vehicle that will outlast you, the Toyota Land Cruiser is the one to own. Lexus LS400, the king of longevity. If there's one car that perfectly balances luxury, durability, and engineering excellence, it's the Lexus LS400. When Lexus introduced this sedan in 1989, it changed the luxury car industry forever. Designed to compete with the best from Mercedes-Benz and BMW, the LS400 wasn't just about comfort, it was about building the most reliable luxury car ever made. Powered by the legendary 1UZF-E V8 engine, the LS400 delivers smooth acceleration, effortless performance, and bulletproof durability. Many owners have reported their LS400s lasting well beyond 500,000 miles, and some, like automotive journalist Matt Farah, have even taken them past the 1 million mile mark. The secret? Meticulous engineering, high-quality materials, and a focus on dependability. Even today, well-maintained LS400 models drive like new, proving that luxury cars don't have to be fragile or high maintenance. If you want a timeless, ultra-reliable vehicle that will last for decades, the Lexus LS400 deserves the #1 spot. Which of these cars do you own, and how long has it lasted? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more expert car insights.